Hi, Miss Maharlika. I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits. Thank you po for fighting for the Filipino people. I am writing to express a matter of grave concern that affects the well-being and morale of the Presidential Security Group or the Presidential Security Command members assigned to the close-in security of the first family. Okay? The PSG personnel have been subjected to treatment that is both disrespectful and abusive, sabi niya, which undermines their dignity and professional responsibilities, specifically the following incidents po. Shouting and disrespect of the First Lady, Liza Araneta Marcos, and the other members of the First Family. There have been multiple instances where PSG members have been shouted at and treated without the respect they deserve as dedicated security personnel. Also po, they are overworked. The security personnel are being overworked, often beyond reasonable hours without adequate rest. Sabi niya. And also inappropriate activities of the First Family and their associates have engaged in excessive partying, halos gabi-gabi po, alcohol consumption, and other inappropriate behaviors in the presence of PSG personnel. Wala po talaga silang kahihiyan. Okay? I hope masabi mo po ito sa masabi niyo po ito sa inyong mga followers para malaman. Maraming salamat, Miss Maharlika. Kawawa na po ang ating bayan. Huwag po kayong tumigil. Huwag po kayong tumigil sa pakikipaglaban. Kayo na lang po ang boses namin. Thank you so much. So yun, mga kababayan. Okay? Coming from PSG, Presidential Security Group,